A quick guide on candlestick patterns. The amount of candlestick patterns out there can be extremely overwhelming. So today I'm going to break down what's important to remember when you're looking at patterns. So here are a bunch of, I would say, the most popular patterns. If we take a look at the doji, for example, we can see that what's important to note is the long shadow, right? Which is indicating indecision. And really, when we're looking at all of these patterns, there's always something that is most important you need to look at. And it's the story the candlestick is actually telling you. It's important to remember what a candlestick is showing you to begin with. It's the high, the low, the open, and the close. And when we really break that down, we can see that there's really a story that's happening that involves buyers and sellers. So when the high and low and the open and close are far apart, we're seeing indecision. When the high and low are far apart, but the open and close are close together, then it's automatically showing us a struggle between buyers and sellers. If the candle didn't close near the high and low points, it's telling us that buyers and sellers couldn't push us there. The name of the pattern is far less important than what it's telling you.